Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial for Envato AI video generation. If you're a creator in 2026, you are probably feeling the AI subscription fatigue. You need a lot of different tools for like video edition, perfect lip sync, audio generation, and video generation. But what if I told you that you don't actually have to choose? Welcome to this full 2026 tutorial for Envato video generation. Okay? Envato has quietly built the ultimate AI video aggregator. Under the hood, this single tool automatically routes your text and images to the exact best AI model on the planet. Whether that's going to be BO3, Kling, or Llama 3, these are all included in your standard Envato element subscription. So today, I'm just gonna walk you step by step through how to use it, how to write the perfect prompts, and how to generate native audio and dialogue in a single click. So let's jump in the computer. Okay guys, here we are inside Envato Elements. As you can see, the dashboard is actually new for 2026. Once you log in, you're gonna have to navigate to the AI tools dropdown and just click on generative AI. And in particular, I'm gonna click on video generation, okay? So I'm just gonna click in here. Right away, notice how clean this interface is. There are no confusing, no trees, or overly complex settings. And Envato's philosophy for 2026 is model agnostic. This means that you don't need to manually select which AI engine to use. You just tell it what you want, and Envato's backend analyzes your prompt to decide if Bio, Kling, or Helio will do the best job. So what do we have in here, guys? We have our main prompt box, which is where you're basically gonna write the whole thing. You have a presets menu, which is gonna allow you to apply a different preset, such as effects, different camera motions, and stuff like that. I find this is quite useful, but I like to use the text prompt better. You also have your vertical ratio. This is gonna allow you to choose between YouTube or TikTok or vertical or horizontal. And very importantly, guys, you have the game-changing toggle of 2026, which is the sound and the speech toggle. Okay, this is gonna tell the AI to generate not just the video, but also synchronize audio and dialogue at the exact same time. And also, once you click on the text prompt, you're gonna have the star frame and the M frame options. Okay, you're gonna be able to upload different images as the star frame or as the M frame. For this, I'm just gonna keep its text, okay, to make it simple, and I'm gonna show you what you can do with this later on. But yeah, I'm just gonna write prompt. So I'm just gonna use my go-to formula, which is gonna be subject, action, setting, lighting, camera, and audio. I'm just gonna copy paste it in here. I have it in here so you can see it, okay? We have the subject in here, as you can see. We have the action, which is looking into the camera. We have the setting, which is, pretty much these, but also these. Okay. And also the camera. Okay, the camera options. And finally, we have the audio. As you can see, he says the future is already here, ambient rain, and distant sirens in the background. So obviously, I'm gonna enable sound and I'm gonna enable speech. Okay, so keep this in mind. Now guys, notice a couple of things in here, okay? First of all, I describe the background sound effects, what I want to, hear basically. And I make sure that the speech is actually toggled on. Then I'm gonna select 69 and I'm gonna click on generate, okay? Also, keep in mind that I selected this in quotation marks. This is very important. The speech should be in quotation marks, okay? Now this is gonna tell you how much credit this is gonna take. In my case, this is just 1 credit. So I'm just gonna click on generate. All right, guys, so let's go for it. Now, behind the scenes, because we asked for dialogue, Envato is likely routing this to Google BO 3.1 or Kling 2.6, which specialize in native lip sync, okay? But we're gonna wait until it's ready in about a minute or so. Okay guys, so it's been less than a minute and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. I'm gonna play it for you. I will do silent now.
The future is already here.
Okay, this is amazing actually. You just got video, voice acting, and fully sound design in one single pass, okay? A year ago, that could have required Midjourney, Runway, 11 Labs, and Premiere Pro. Today, it takes 30 seconds, so which is amazing. Not only that, but you have different options such as extend the video footage, you can modify it, you can change the subject, or you can reframe it, okay? I find it especially useful to change subject. It's very, very useful. However, you have to keep in mind that this is going to take some credits to actually change things, okay? So you have to keep that in mind, guys. Alright, so great, amazing. Now we're going to explore as well the image to video, but it's very similar. You're just going to have to select a start frame and an end frame. And you know, what I love about the start frame and the end frame is that you can upload your own image from your computer, which is cool. But you can also generate your own image using artificial intelligence. Of course, it's going to take you credits as well, but it's pretty good, okay? So you can just do this with the start frame and with the end frame. So yep, that's pretty much it, guys. Once your 5 to 8 second clip is generated, you can just simply download it. If you have lost it or missed it somehow, you can just go to video gen, history, and then just click on the particular video and click on download this button here. All right, guys. So yep, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, okay? In the next review, I will basically show you how this licensing works and, my conclusions on this, but I can tell you from now that this is pretty good, okay? So I hope you can use it and you can enjoy it. Thank you so much, guys.